Hey, what's up, guys? It's Matt here with Tanks Lawn Maintenance. It is currently 8 p.m. Thursday evening, July the 17th, 2025, year of our Lord. And I want to show y'all something real quick, man. And get y'all turned around real quick. I want to show y'all real quick. I'm going to put this, kind of stick this back together without putting the bolts in it. Give me just a second, guys. If you, this is for all you Wright standard guys out here. I'm going to show y'all something. Give me just a second. This is for all you Wright standard guys out here. If y'all have a Wright standard and you go to turn the key over and this is all it does, nothing. Before you do anything, it may not be the battery, guys. It may not be the battery. I'm gonna show y'all something. This little sucker right here, can you see that black dot right in the middle of it right there? That is a blown fuse. Okay, I want to show y'all something. You come around here, you got a bolt right here, a bolt right there. Of course the bolts aren't in there right now, I've got it taken apart. Come around here to the front, you got a bolt here and a bolt on that corner right there. That's all you need, guys. A number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need. Undo those bolts, get you one of these, a flathead screwdriver. You may need one of these, a rubber mallet. Take these 4 bolts out, pull this control panel up, right there. I'm gonna use my screwdriver as a pointer here. Right here, guys. This box right here is a fuse box, okay? There's a little clip right there, a tab. You press that tab in, you can either pull it off by hand, or if it's kind of like mine was, a little dirty, kind of gunked up, you come around from the side, put it on the corner right there, and just tap it with, just lightly tap it with your rubber mallet. Break it loose. It simply just slides off, guys. Simply just slides off. You take it off of there, you let it hang down, let it hang down, pull it around through the front. This right here slides out of this box, okay? Inside of this box, you've got 2 fuses. One of them is a 20 amp fuse. Check that 20 amp fuse. If you're not getting any power from your ignition switch, check the 20 amp fuse that is inside this box right here, because 9 times out of 10 it's probably blown. Now, chances are something may have caused that thing to blown. It could just be something as simple as water, condensation, whatever. But something caused that fuse to blow. What you need to do is you need to kind of visually inspect all these wires down here. Make sure there's no wires or anything like that showing. Look on the metal itself, on the frame down here. Make sure you don't see any spots where it could have been a bare wire that arced off on the frame or anything like that. You know, you got to be able to tell the difference between arc marks and dirt. But I don't see anything in here, so I'm just going to chalk it up to water. Hopefully that's what the problem was. But guys, something as simple as that can make or break your day. And I knew, you know, I needed this mower on the first 3 properties I did this morning, and couldn't use it, couldn't find my fuse, and I was blind as a bat. I knew where the fuse was in the mower, don't get me wrong, but I've had this problem on the 36 before, and all Wright standards are basically the same. So any of you guys got Wright standards, check that fuse if your mower won't crank, if you're not getting any power at all. But all Wright standards are the same. But I needed that this morning. I have fuses, and I couldn't find them on the truck. Pulled the fuse out, didn't have my glasses, and I'm blind as a bat without my glasses, guys. I can't see nothing. And pulled the fuse out, and I couldn't see it. But sure enough, I got home, and I couldn't find my tester. I've got a tester somewhere. I have no clue where it's at. It's probably in the same box that my fuses are in, and couldn't find the fuses. Got home, got irritated because I needed the mower, couldn't fix it, and I've just had a rough year. Got irritated, only had 5 properties left for the week after that, or did what I needed to do with the 36, and then came on home and took a nap, took a shower, took a nap, woke up, came out here, checked it. Sure enough, it was his fuse. But if you guys don't know what a blown fuse looks like, guys, That little black dot right there in the center, that is a burn mark. I'll put it a little bit closer for y'all so y'all can see it. You see the burn mark right there, and also you can see where the fuse has broke apart on the inside of it, the element that is broken. If that element's broke, that fuse ain't doing you a lick of damn good. So keep you some fuses in the truck, guys. They're cheap. You can buy a pack of 40 of them from 5 amp all the way up to 50 amp, and it comes with a tester most of the time. You can buy a pack of 40 of them for 20 or 30 bucks. They ain't much at all. And you can buy a smaller pack, even cheaper than that. And if you go somewhere like Walmart, get on Amazon, something like that, you can probably find them even cheaper than that. But I choose to go to O'Reilly for the convenience of it. But keep some fuses on you, keep duct tape on you, keep electrical tape on you, keep a fuse tester on you, keep tire plugs, rubber cement, plug kit, fix-a-flat, extra belts. Keep all that stuff in your truck and trailer, guys, because you will need it at some point. But look, man, I hope y'all got something out of this. If you did, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. If not, that's cool too, man. Let me know in the comments down below how stupid I am. But hey, till the next video, y'all keep cutting that grass and keep making that money. Holla at y'all. Bye.